Every kid dreams of becoming Spider-Man, swinging into action, saving the day, and living unforgettable adventures, but with so many Spider-Man costumes and web shooter toys available, choosing the perfect one can be a real challenge. In today's video, we've selected the top 4 best Spider-Man costumes for kids in 2026, from realistic LED masks and web shooters to premium capes and complete superhero roleplay sets that bring every adventure to life. Whether you're shopping for a birthday, Halloween, Christmas, or simply an amazing surprise, these picks offer something for every young superhero. You'll find Amazon links to all the featured products in the description below. Now, let's reveal the best Spider-Man costumes every young hero will love. Number 4. Kids Superhero Capes and Wristbands Set. Dress-up costumes for boys and girls. Ages 3 to 12. Starting our list is an excellent choice for families looking for variety and value. This colorful superhero cape set includes multiple capes and matching wristbands, giving children the opportunity to become different heroes whenever they want. Made from soft satin fabric, each cape feels smooth, lightweight, and comfortable, making it ideal for hours of imaginative play. The bright colors remain vibrant and eye-catching, helping kids fully immerse themselves in every adventure. Designed for children between 3 and 12 years old, the adjustable size makes the capes easy to wear while allowing complete freedom of movement. Whether they're running through the backyard, acting out scenes indoors, or joining friends at a costume party, these capes stay comfortable throughout the day. This set also encourages creativity. Instead of simply wearing a costume, children invent their own stories, create exciting missions, and develop social skills while playing with siblings and friends. It's a fantastic choice for birthdays, Halloween, Christmas, school events, cosplay parties, or everyday dress-up fun. If you're looking for an affordable costume collection that delivers plenty of entertainment, this set is a great place to start. Number 3. Superhero Capes and Masks Set for Kids. Satin dress-up costumes for boys and girls ages 4 to 12. Next up is a complete superhero cape and mask set that allows kids to instantly transform into their favorite comic-inspired heroes. The premium satin cape feels soft against sensitive skin, while the matching felt masks provide a comfortable fit without causing irritation. Since the masks are lightweight and breathable, children can wear them comfortably during long play sessions. The adjustable neck closure helps create a secure fit for different ages, making this costume suitable for both younger and older kids. Whether they're pretending to save the city or starring in their own superhero movie, this costume delivers an authentic role-playing experience. One of its biggest advantages is its simplicity. There's nothing complicated to assemble or charge. Kids can put on the cape, wear the mask, and begin their adventure within seconds. Parents will also appreciate the durable construction that holds up well through repeated use. It's ideal for birthday parties, classroom performances, Halloween events, Christmas celebrations, and family gatherings. For children who love pretending to be superheroes every day, this costume set offers endless opportunities for imaginative storytelling. Number 2. Ultimate Superhero Toy Set. 2 web shooters, 2 gloves, and cape for kids. Roleplay. Taking second place is an action-packed superhero toy set that brings movie-inspired adventures to life. Unlike basic costume sets, this package includes 2 functional web shooters, 2 gloves, and a flowing superhero cape. That means 2 children can join the fun together, making cooperative adventures even more exciting. The working web shooters allow kids to recreate dramatic superhero moments while encouraging active movement instead of sitting in front of screens. It's a fantastic way to combine imagination with physical activity. Constructed from durable, child-safe materials, every accessory is designed to withstand energetic indoor and outdoor play. The gloves fit comfortably, while the adjustable cape allows children to move freely during every mission. Playing together also helps children build teamwork, communication, confidence, and creative problem-solving skills. Instead of simply watching superheroes, they become the heroes themselves. Whether they're protecting their imaginary city, battling invisible villains, or creating completely original adventures, this complete toy set keeps the excitement going for hours. Number 1. LED Spider Hero Costume Set for Kids, Light-Up Mask, Cape and Web Shooter Launcher. Taking the number 1 spot is the most exciting and feature-packed Spider Hero costume on our list. The highlight of this incredible set is its glowing LED mask, which instantly grabs attention and makes every child feel like they're stepping straight into a superhero movie. The bright lighting effect creates an unforgettable experience, especially during evening play or costume parties. The flowing satin cape adds dramatic movement, while running, jumping, or striking heroic poses, while the included launcher and glove allow kids to recreate exciting web shooting action with ease. The launcher is designed for simple operation, allowing younger children to enjoy the experience without frustration. Meanwhile, the durable construction ensures the entire set can handle countless superhero adventures. Comfort has also been carefully considered. The adjustable LED mask fits securely while remaining breathable, and the lightweight cape allows unrestricted movement during active play. This costume is perfect for birthdays, Halloween, Christmas, cosplay events, school performances, superhero-themed parties, or simply everyday imaginative fun. Combining realistic accessories, interactive play features, glowing visual effects, and excellent overall quality, it's easy to see why this Spider Hero costume set earns our #1 recommendation for 2026. Now it's your turn. Which of these amazing Spider-Man costume sets would your young superhero choose? Check the Amazon links in the description to learn more about each product and find the perfect one for your next adventure.